Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the comments in Python. In case if you have followed the previous video, as you can see, I have written down some of the things inside of my code editor in the Python file. And when I run the file, basically, as you can see, these lines have no effect at all. So these are the comments in Python. So comments in Python, right? So if I just want to comment something, what I can do, I can add a hash symbol here and do something like this is a comment. Okay, hit save. And once I run the program, as you can see, this is how that looks. And there is nothing here, right? So no output here. But if I just remove this one, this line or the hash symbol here and run the program, as you can see, we are getting some sort of a syntax error. Okay, so comments are in that way very useful. So when we use the comments, okay, comments can be used to explain Python code. For example, if I just do something like print, let's do 8 divided by 2, hit save, and here I can add a comment. Okay, and do something like this division division will return a float, okay, or a floating point number, to remember this thing, right? So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting 4.0 because of this print statement, but the comments have no effect. Okay, so this is how we can write the comments. Then comments can be used to make the code more readable. Okay, and also comments can be used to prevent code execution when testing the code. For example, I have tested this code, okay, and now if I just want to comment it out, I can just add a hash symbol in front of that, or inside of the VS Code in this particular line, what I can do, I can just do control and slash, and as you can see, it is now commented out. And now if I just run the program, as you can see, we are not getting anything printed out here. All right. So this is basically the comments in Python. So whenever we want to explain the code or take a note for ourselves, we can use the comment. And while learning, I highly recommend you to write comments so that you can look up the things in the future. All right, so this is the comments in Python. One more thing is that this is particularly is a multi-line comment. So as you can see, we can do something like this for the comments in case if you want to have a multi-line comment. So let's do this is a multi-line okay, not this one comment. Okay, so now if I just select all of this and do control slash, as you can see, it is now commented out here. Or what I can do the same thing by using triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Okay, so what I can do, I can just open up this one. So triple double quotes. And here I will just cut this one and paste it down here. So this will be a multi-line comment. Okay. As you can see here, we are not getting anything. Okay. So this is the comments in Python. Okay.